Hey guys, we are back. Jess and me, we're back for the second part of the Christmas cookie cocktail happy hour. I guess we'll call it a happy hour. It's the holidays, you're hanging out with your family, your friends are coming over, you're having a cookie swap. An adult cookie swap where you're having Christmas cookie cocktails. We have two more for you today. We're gonna do a sugar cookie cocktail and a gingerbread cocktail. So first up, you're making? Is going to be sugar cookie. And first we have to do the glass because it's the holidays. You have to fancy up your glass a little bit. And on this one, we're actually using cake icing. So you go get yourself some cake icing, put it on the dish. You look at it. Thank you. That's probably enough. And I don't know if this is going to work. I don't know if we're going to do it or we're going to have to smear it.
Did you make this part up?
No. So.
Get your glass.
Get your glass. I need the sprinkles. The sprinkles right there. Now you can either do icing and sprinkles, or you can do, just do like, if you have like decorating sugar. We have some decorating sugar down there too. So either one would work. You do. Hey, you do
whatever you want.
You do what makes you happy. It's the holidays. It's your party. Don't let people tell you how to decorate your glass. It's kind of working. I think it's working. Smells good. Smells like a sugar cookie already.
So these are like decorating cookies.
So you paint it up. So yeah.
These are the decorating cookies.
Yeah.
You decorate sugar cookies. You decorate gingerbread men or gingerbread house.
That's going all over the place.
And just do this.
There you go. Hold that.
Okay.
So you hang out with your friends, you make some cocktails. It's guaranteed to be a good time.
Just get all liquored up first.
No, don't do that.
Yeah.
Because it's it is the holidays, it's time for celebrating, but you still have to be responsible.
Always.
So even now that she's old, I'm still having to tell her how to be responsible. So, for the sugar cookie cocktail, now that you have your fancy ass glass.
Just call me old.
No, I said you're older. Did I say older? I may have just cursed too, I'm not sure.
Well,
So,
the good thing we have the power
this is an adult channel.
The power of video editing.
I'll take this. So, for the sugar cookie cocktail, we need our old friend, vanilla vodka. You make it on me. Huh?
No.
Whatever. Ounce and a half vanilla vodka, for those of you who didn't hear it the first time. Irish cream. Anything with Irish cream in it's got to be good.
Mm-hmm.
It's just gonna smell. I tend to smell things when I open it. I don't know why.
I mean, Irish cream does just smell really good.
Yeah.
I wonder why there's Irish cream in this recipe.
That's what makes it taste
They're
like a sugar
Irish
cookie.
sugar cookies.
Amaretto. Half as much amaretto. And here's the weird ingredient. We have some confectioner's sugar. Where is my other spoon? Here it is. So probably about a teaspoon or so of confectioner's sugar. I guess that's the sugar in the sugar cookie, right? Screw it. Put that there. What else we need? Cream. Just happen to have some cream right here.
You just so happen to have it.
A little bit of cream. Fistful of ice. Guess what we're gonna do? Shake.
What else is new?
You see the fancy bartenders that do like to dance? I don't know how to do that.
But like, what's that movie? Cocktail?
If you go, like, if you watch other cocktail videos on YouTube,
probably not as good.
they're professional bartenders. I'm sure we're making drinks at home for our family and friends. They shake weird and it's weird. They all pour. They get the jigger and they all do it like this. I guess that's a special way. I don't know. And then whoa, overflow. Tell me that.
Okay. It probably smells good too. Actually, can smell it from here.
Yeah. So, do we need to? Huh?
What?
You don't have to do this specifically, but it's the holidays, so we're gonna. If I can get this thing. It's Christmas. Why not? Well, we have the ones here already, but you can sprinkle in there. Go ahead. I was gonna do that. Go ahead.
But...
Wow.
Oh, that's pretty.
Tell me that's not nice. So there you go. Sugar cookie cocktail. 2 is a gingerbread cocktail. Now, for a gingerbread cocktail, you need a special ingredient. This right here. Gingerbread syrup.
Did you make that?
I did make this. I actually even filmed it, but I didn't press the record button when I filmed it.
Ooh.
So, it was a very good video.
Tough break, bud.
So, how you make this is you get some water, some brown sugar. I'll put all the ingredients. Water, brown sugar, molasses, cinnamon, and ground ginger. You cook them all up together until it's all dissolved together. Yeah, you can sniff it. So you're a sniffer too. And then...
This smells good.
It does. I actually tasted it.
Like by itself?
Oh yeah, like a spoonful. So, we're going to do a glass again. And for the glass, this is what this is right here. This is what this is some ginger snap cookies. Because why not?
Ginger snaps.
I could bring you an extra one, but I need it for the top.
Okay.
And then I put a little bit of the syrup. Well, I'm trying to figure what I could use to make it stick, and I figured that would be it.
I feel like anything.
Yeah, anything wet. Anything wet. Oh, caramel would have worked too. Well, too late. I already got this in there. You would have got more cookie on that caramel. I'm sorry. It's the public school system. I mean, it doesn't. You don't have to go crazy with it.
Yeah, I mean, you did a fine job.
You did a fine job. So
with
for
your
this
homemade
one,
gingerbread syrup.
Well, go big or go home. It's the holidays.
Yeah.
So, and we got. You didn't even know we got these glasses. We got pint glasses.
Oh.
Everybody's got one. We even bought one for you.
Was that for me?
Even though you come here, leap year. I see leap year more than I see her.
So this glass is for me?
When you come here, you're not taking it home with you.
No, I'm aware.
Yeah. So.
There's a J on it, in case you were
Guess what we're
wondering.
going to start with on this drink?
I'm going to go ahead and say vanilla vodka.
Because every Christmas cocktail drink apparently starts with vanilla vodka.
But I mean, if you think about it, most Christmas cookies
have
have like
vanilla
that
in it.
like flavor profile.
So we need 2 ounces of vanilla. See, this is a different jigger. Actually, I like the other one better, so I'm just going to rinse it out.
Can you do one of those like fancy things?
No, I'm not. Because we're not at the Chateau Snooty Pie. We're at...
Chateau de Grantham.
Realistically, we're in the basement right now. We're going to have a nice bar.
I mean, underground.
We're going to... Well, yeah, that's how it... One day...
That's the joke.
One day... We'll get into the story, and I may have even told it before of why this is called Grantham. I may have told this story before, but I'm not going to tell it now. But I'll tell you someday. So, 2. Why is it when you hang out with your kids, everything you have planned just seems to go right down the tubes?
I was going to say, am I about to be blamed for something?
You watch videos, they seem to go a lot smoother than this. Is it smoother or more smoothly?
More smoothly.
More smoothly. More smoothly than this. Next.
What's not smooth about this? Because I think this is pretty darn smooth.
It's a lot of...
Thickering?
See, I just smelled this.
Yeah, I feel like because you're with someone in general, you're usually just you and the camera and your fans. You're not here with anybody to argue with or talk to or yell at or call old.
Well, you are old because I remember you when you were young, and I'm going to insert a picture.
Oh gosh.
And you guys will be the judge. I basically look the same, just with a little more hair.
Is it the curly hair picture?
When you were like 5?
With the curly hair?
Yeah,
I love that picture.
Or it could be the Girl Scout prom picture.
Don't do that one.
Okay.
Do the curly hair one,
All right.
because I look cute.
That was Kahlua, coffee liqueur. Any coffee liqueur. It doesn't have to be Kahlua. Next, Irish cream. Same amount. Or thereabouts. And then, the aforementioned gingerbread syrup. A couple tablespoons, 3 tablespoons. Not like, how many tablespoons is in an ounce? That's probably something we should have Googled. So, now. So I'm going to say...
I feel like that's something that I should know in the back. That's a lot more than 3 tablespoons.
No, it wasn't. It's gingerbread after all. And then a little more cream. A couple ounces of cream. Well, finish the cream.
Yeah.
Get rid of this.
So I feel like that's something
What?
that I should know. Being as how I went to
What? Like?
Sorry, tech school.
For culinary?
Yeah.
I
did not know that.
Huh?
You didn't know that?
When you were in high school?
Yeah.
Did you pass?
Yes.
What did you know?
But I'm a damn good one. I knew that's what you were getting. Put it here to cut it.
Yeah, I'll insert it. I'll show it to you right now, but we will also grab it from there. See here, this is how as a parent, if you're a parent, this is how you always remember your kid. See? But I'll actually I'll edit it in there so you can see it.
Like, I was cute.
What about your hair?
It was so curly.
And I actually had a little bit of hair.
This is actually my Instagram profile picture for a while.
Was it really?
Not the you part, just me.
So this one died. Let's sprinkle this.
Thanks.
Whatever. Because I bought the cherries down. I never put cherries on.
What were they supposed to be for?
Why not?
Yeah, but why are you putting cherries?
And then for this one, oh, that's gonna overflow. I said that already.
How'd you know that was coming?
There. How about that?
Oh, look at that. Well, I feel like it needs.
Wait a minute. Spin it.
Yeah, so you can see like the.
Bring that out of the camera center. And there is 2 more fantastic Christmas cookie cocktails. Sugar cookie cocktail that's a little deflated.
Smell the gingerbread.
And the gingerbread cocktail. Which one do you want? We're
gonna try both. Yeah. I'll just do this.
Okay.
This is an awkward glass.
No, that's a cool glass. It's a non-tippy glass. Cheers. You gotta hang. This is like Philly cheesesteak drink. You gotta do the Philly cheesesteak hang. It's not super gingerbready.
Really? So this is.
It's good, but it's not overly gingerbread. See, I think you could have more gingerbread syrup.
You need a straw for that because you get. It's good, but like the first thing you taste is the icing.
Yeah.
So it kind of takes it like away from it, you know.
Oh, there you go.
Thanks. That's good.
Did it taste like a sugar cookie? Or in English, does it taste like a sugar cookie?
You see where I'm coming from now?
I think in both drinks, the Irish cream. Do I have anything right here? The Irish cream is
tastes like gingerbread.
The Irish cream is the predominant flavor.
I don't taste Irish cream at all. Is it even a question?
I guess because I just drank the syrup plain. Yeah. It's very crunchy. I like them both. They're both very good. So, when you have, here's an idea. This is what you do. If you have friends or family that you can invite over, and they're going to be at your house for 14 days, because apparently that's what we have to do now, you might as well have a Christmas cookie swap. And this is a lot easier because you don't have to heat up the oven, you don't have to have flour going everywhere, you don't have to roll stuff out. It's not as big of an operation. Because you really only need a few things, because the same things basically go in every drink. So you get together, everybody make one drink. What? Oh, there it goes. I just ate it. So everybody make a drink, and then you share it, or make enough so however many people you have. You can up the proportions of these drinks very easily. But I'll have all the instructions, and then you have a Christmas cookie cocktail swap. What do you think?
Sounds like a great idea.
Yeah. So that's
Also,
what.
I was just thinking that you just gave me that ginger snap just to shut me up for like a minute straight.
No.
Because that was really awkward for me.
Well, I didn't realize. Oh, I guess I should have realized that you were my kid. That you were going to shove the whole thing in there.
Like whenever I'm on here, you make me snarf.
Snarf? What's snarf?
Like when you have something in your mouth and you laugh or.
Is that like sneeze and barf?
Technically, yes, but.
Is that like milk come out of your nose type stuff?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So.
But in this case, it's liquor.
So there you have it. Hanging out with Jess, baking Christmas cookies the Grantham Pub Underground way. So, to you and yours, from me and mine, happy holidays, Merry Christmas.
When do you say Happy New Year?
Because it's not New Year's
I
yet.
said when do you like?
We'll
Because
get-
you usually
we'll
say
get to
like
that.
Happy Holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.
But really, the holidays don't start.
We're just, you know what we're just doing? We're trying to speed up the process of 2020 ending.
Yeah, that's it. So, there you have it. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy New Year's if I don't see you.
Be
It's
safe.
Happy New Year. It's not New Year's.
We might need more than one.
Yeah.
To...
Yeah, right. So, until we see you next time right here at the Grantham Pub Underground, we'll save a seat at the bar for you. Cheers.
Be safe.